I can't afford a new synth, but what I can do is restore the one I originally used many years ago, a Casio VL tone. And to prove that it really works, I'll press a button here and look here. Yeah, so that's actually recording. Is it recording? It will record if I press record. Wait for signal. Now I need to... That's okay. It's all right. Need to fix the gain. That is really doing in my left ear. Can I do anything musical with this? That's the question. Let's put reverb on. That always makes things sound better.